Hey Elvis, yesterday a traffic police stopped my dad and asked to pay fine. My dad paid the fine, but I'm not sure why did he do so.
Your dad must have broken a traffic rule.
A traffic rule? What does that mean?
Traffic rules are the rules implied by the government of a country for the safety of the people on the road. Traffic rules help people to drive in a disciplined manner.
Please, could you tell me more about traffic rules?
Sure, why not? To learn about traffic rules, let us go out. The most important part of the traffic rules is the traffic light. Traffic light guides people when to stop or slow down or proceed their vehicles. The traffic light consists of 3 colors. Red means stop. Green means go. And yellow means slow down your vehicle. Also, there is a signal for people crossing the road. The red man sign on the signal means stop. The green man sign on the signal means go. Now let us walk towards the school.
What does that 20 sign board indicate?
That's a speed limit board. This board says 20. That means the vehicle should maintain a speed of 20 kilometers per hour while driving.
Elvis, what are these signs for?
This is a no horn sign. It indicates that you should not honk unless it is necessary. This is a no parking sign. It indicates that you should not park your vehicle nearby. This is a school sign. It indicates that the driver should watch carefully and drive slowly as there is a school nearby.
Oh, now I get it. Why there are no vehicles parked beside my school.
Vehicles are parked only where there is a peace sign board, just like you see there. You should park properly at the given space, or else traffic police will impose a fine.
I don't understand why that capital U sign is inverted.
That's a sign to indicate that you can take a U-turn from here. If there is a strike on it, it indicates you should not take a U-turn.
Oh, I get it. What are those lines and the lines next to it meant for?
That's a good question, Jimmy. It is a zebra crossing. When the signal turns green for walking, people walk on it to get on the other side of the road. And the line before it indicates that the vehicle should be stopped before the line. Some more traffic rules you need to know are: we should wear a helmet while riding a bike. We should wear seat belts while driving a car. We should cross the road only when the signal is green for walking. We should not cross the railing, instead use the zebra crossing. We should walk only on the footpath. Jimmy, if you take care of these rules, you will stay safe on the roads.
Thanks for the information, Elvis. Now I know that the traffic police charged a fine to my dad because he had parked his vehicle in a no parking zone.
That's great, Jimmy. Now let's get home before it's dark.
If you like our videos, please do share and subscribe to our channel.